Split parking air conditioner, installation program. First of all, we received, after 2 pieces of goods, turn on the internal machine. It's of this shape. There is a fixing plate inside. We put the fixing plate, the back is equivalent to, it's a wagon. Fix the fixing plate to the wagon. Then there are screws at all 4 points. There is one in the internal machine. Accessory package, 2 on each side with 4 screws. Fix the internal machine on this board. The internal machine is fixed. There is also an outside 1F fixing mode of TE external connection. There are 2 prices. This frame, fix it to A, screw to 5A, it will be fine on the external plane. Then this frame U, fix to the other side, B55. This side directly puts it, stick it to our wagon. U, for example, the back or the bold one will do. Then there are 2 pipes. K. A pipe is divided into 3 branches. This is the high pressure pipe. 3 divisions, at this position in the heart of the 7 doors. Install underneath. Twist it off. A. There is a valve core in it. Don't put it when you press it. The valve core has been rubbed and cracked, or there is a crack. After installing it, screw it up. Fix it tightly. Fixed tightly. There is also a thick pipe. This tube is a low pressure tube. 2A, at DC 55560X, 655 EL, D6053014, S5501D, DC, A, Dale compound TE, I55505451 DC, DDC, 555120K4907R, DC 58.3043, DDC 55, I55830147 DC4, 12 volts 55580 K430 do RA, DU low pressure tube 5, do low pressure tube 55 RCA, DL DC low pressure tube 65, DU low pressure pipe 12 volts DC 580 K, DG12V0555130844 do dimensions, DC12V0 DC65, DG1055R inch, DG12V055533044309 do. We're gonna go through this hole, tuck it in upwards, put it in LDC, OGVL, Fuku BC24V11 DC12V0, L. There is a white hat inside, twist it off. Press this pipe on it, the same way, fix it with screws. After the supply is ready, and these 2 joints, 5 small, TN, E, 17. Without 7 new doors, and no one wearing a screw cap. These 2, it is the location of the internal machine. Put this screw, ring it off first. This is an M-shaped pressure plate, small installation under the bottom. The big one is installed on it. Jam it with an M-star pressure plate. The screws are fixed. Tighten it with 8 hands. You can do it. That is the external scripture. There are 2 lines here. One line touches the inner muscle. This line passes to the signal line. Insert it directly at the position of the internal muscle. There is a point in the inner muscle partial package. You can wrap this tape around. Just wrap it up. There is also a thick line. Positive electrode. This place is insurance. Let's connect it to the positive electrode of a battery. Black is the negative. For example, our 1 transformer. It is similar to the negative electrode of a battery. Connect it to the black battery. The positive electrode is connected to the positive electrode of the battery. It must have been pressed. However, after the electricity is sealed, we can disassemble the machine. Power mode when booting. Wind speed is the big and small gears. The temperature is set to the temperature. Click. This press will turn on the machine. After booting, we can set mode. For example, the weather is cooler, we can set to power saving mode or economic. The weather is rather hot, stronger wind speeds, temperature adjustment gear up and down. If you don't use it, click directly when shutting down. I turned off the machine. This is what it is. Installation of air conditioner, all and operation process.